Hi guys, this is how I got 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time and got the channel monetized. In this video I am sharing my honest opinion about how easy or hard it was to get this channel monetized and what can you learn from my journey. Let's start. First of all, I would like to thank each one of you who have subscribed to this channel and watched the videos and made it possible to reach the 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time milestone. With that said, let me quickly show you my analytic dashboard to give you the glimpse of what this channel is standing at. So when I open my analytics, you can see that these stats, they are the stats for last 28 days, and my channel has been recently monetized in just 2 or 3 days ago. I have got the confirmation of monetization of this channel, so my revenue is just $13 only, 13 US dollars, and these all data, they are the data for last 28 days. So to get your channel monetized, you already know that you have to get 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time in last 365 days. So if I change this 28 days to last 365 days, this is what my stat looks like. So I have got total of 220.7 thousand views, which is generating 7.1 thousand hours of watch time, and my subscribers are sitting at 1019. So at the time I applied to monetize the channel, the subscriber count was 1012, and one problem with my channel was I was getting the enough watch time. You can see here the watch time of more than 7000 hours, which is far more than 4000 hours of watch time, but I was not able to get the sufficient number of subscribers, so I have to wait long time to get my channel monetized. Now in this part of video I am sharing my top 3 learnings on how to gain 1000 subscribers and the required watch time. The first thing I learned is the analytics doesn't matter at all in the beginning, because at the start we would have low number of views, let us say 10, 20 or maybe 100 views. The statistic at this stage does not reflect the true performance of the video and your overall channel, because another video you will be uploading might get slightly higher views. Let us say your next video get 50 views, then the stat now can be completely different than the initial stat. Also 10, 20 or 100 is a small number compared to the possible number of views you can get. So that is the negligible sample size to generalize the whole performance of your channel. So focusing on analytics doesn't work at the beginning stage. And another thing I learned is focus on quantity, not on quality at the beginning, and we can improve the quality of video as we go on making more and more videos. Quality will automatically increase, but at the starting, if you focus more on making the best video possible, then you will have chances to upload less number of videos, and you have very low number of subscriber. It means the video will not reach to many people. So making the best video is less important than making the number of videos. But if you are a professional video maker, or you are doing video making for a long time and you are really good at it, so you can start with the professional standard of video and you can straight away get number of views and number of subscribers. That's a different thing. But if you are a beginner, then focusing on quality doesn't work. And the last lesson I learned is be patient and be consistent. I was patient, but I was not consistent. because of which it took me so long to hit the milestone. But when you are consistent on uploading the videos, your channel will definitely perform good. Because YouTube is such a big platform that there is audience for every type of content. Slow and steady you will get the subscriber as long as you are uploading the videos. So this was all about how I got 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time, and what you can learn from my experience. Thank you again for watching my videos and subscribing the channel. If you want to hear more on YouTube tips or if you want to learn something new, please subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.